Now the water is boiling. Now we put our potatoes, sweet potatoes, to cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. And then we're gonna mash it. We're gonna put some one-fourth cup of butter. Then we're gonna put some salt and pepper to taste, and then mix it. So an additional ingredients, I put 1 tablespoon of milk. It's optional, and of course I put 2 eggs right there, and we have to mix it properly. And now I have here a piping, which is like this. I put it like this, and then put the potato right there. Just do it as you know, and then continue. Now we're gonna try to form a swirl. Like until it's done. Now we're gonna bake in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes and 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now our sweet potato swirls are done. Now see like that.